I'm here because Dr. Kateb has been very kind. He has taken a special interest in my case, which is 3 cervical fusions that have failed basically. So I'm in tremendous pain.
My son, who now works with me and runs the company with me, he was diagnosed with a tumor which was inside his spinal cord, right behind his Adam's apple.
I have a family member who has autism.
In getting involved with this particular group, not just on a professional level, but on a personal level, I was so intrigued with this show because there's so many things that I didn't realize that the Brain Mapping Society was involved in.
You know, running 30 miles a week, I've got to the point that I can just walk on the treadmill 5 miles every other day, and my whole life has been unfortunately gone, in the wrong direction.
And I got a phone call, and it was late at night, and it was Dr. Babek, and he said, "What's going on? I saw an email with Brandon, is he okay?" And we explained to him what it was. He is like, he knows everybody, and he is kind of like a conduit of anybody who's in the scientific community in this field. And he basically just immediately said, "Let me get an email out to some of my friends and some of his colleagues." And within an hour, we had multiple emails back from different doctors saying, "We'd love to help."
Raising awareness is the most important thing in this initiative because there is so much out there, but there is very less knowledge because the doctors that you take your children to are not even aware of what's out there.
And this is where you meet the top level people, and and if they cannot make a suggestion, they can put me in touch with others. So it's absolutely the right place to be.
We were under the impression that my son would have about a 50% chance of walking again. Dr. Chen said, no, that will not be the case.
Dr. Babak can do it because he's so committed and so passionate.
And the experience with him and the City of Hope and Dr. Chen changed my son's life, saved him.